In this video, we'll edit the gig accordingly and we'll try to rank our gig against the specific keyword. So first of all, I'm going to say with this keyword like mobile app developer. Okay, that's the most high volume keywords mostly searched. So you can see this gig with only 9 ratings and also 4.6, which is quite not a great rating at all, is ranking at the number 1 position. I'm going to discuss the reasons why this gig is at number 1 position and how we can make our gig possible to rank number 1. Let's open this gig. First of all, we are going to discuss how this user has spammed the keyword mobile app development developer. Actually, the mobile app is the word which he has used maximum time to rank his gig at the first position. So yeah, we'll use similar trick to for ourselves too. I will do mobile app development, mobile app, Android and iOS mobile app developer. I know this doesn't make sense at all, but yeah, these users simply spammed the mobile app keyword to rank their gig. You can modify it according to your need, but I'll do mobile app development for Android mobile app and, and iOS mobile app. I will do mobile app development for Android mobile app and iOS mobile app. So yeah, here's this is how we create our gig title this way. Then you'll see our gig will also rank at mobile app keyword and also development word too. Now we are going to discuss the description. We have already discussed how we can create amazing screenshots, gig thumbnails using Canva. So yeah, here's the gig details. You need to simply you can use Grammarly tool. It will also provide you the synonyms of professional development and all of both keyword. So yeah, this is how we can modify the existing words with synonym of these words. So here's the gig description, and here's the 3 gig models are developed and all needed. It's pretty simple actually. You know, all developed in iOS mobile. So yeah, actually the main thing which mattered a lot the way this guy has used mobile app developer or mobile app keyword in his gig. You can simply copy this and add like e-commerce app, tracking app, bus tracking system, and all that stuff. VPN apps. You can modify the description according to your need, and hopefully after first 5 reviews, your gig will rank.